What's up, Black and Heavy Gods? I'm Ralph and Landon. Here is CSX M326, 107 freight cars. He's right, 107 freight cars in the blizzard. Here he is right now. Here he is in the blizzard. Here we go. In the blizzard. Here we go. Here we go. In the blizzard. Here we go. Mechanical bows. Gonna be blossoming snow here in a second. Here we go. Here it is. Plastic car right there, there it goes. Lots of old cars in the mix. Loaded lumber car right there. Hampton lumber. Lots of mixed market rail Grand Elk cars right here. Here they go. Telephone poles, two of them right there. It's only 42 cars in. You got 107 to go yet. Self-serve freight, there it goes. Tail ends all steel coil cars, so that's a lot of coil. But yeah. EGTY, there it goes. One loaded potash car and one loaded buzzy cement car, there it goes. Buzzy cement and potash car, there it goes. Here comes the end right now, here it is. 13 cars of stainless steel coils right now, here we go. There's the end right there, and there it goes. There it goes, guys, there it goes. There's the end, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos of this. I'm Ralph and Landon out.